Hello, lovely people. Welcome to a delightful journey where we celebrate the beauty of natural makeup. Today we're talking about the natural makeup look. Makeup that makes you look like you, just a bit brighter. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty without masking it. It's not about hiding, but highlighting your best features. Think of it as a way to bring out the best version of yourself. This look is all about confidence and feeling good in your own skin. When you feel good, it shows. And that's the real magic of makeup. A quick, simple routine can be a small act of kindness to yourself, like a favorite jumper or a nice cup of tea. It's a moment of self-care in your busy day. We'll break makeup down into easy steps. Think of your face as a beautiful canvas for a delicate watercolor, not a thick oil painting. Each stroke should be gentle and purposeful. The goal? A fresh, healthy glow, as if you've just come back from a walk in the countryside. Imagine the soft blush of your cheeks after a brisk walk in the fresh air. We'll use just a handful of products to help you look bright-eyed and ready for the day. You don't need a lot to make a big impact. There are no strict rules, just have fun and find what makes you feel brilliant. Makeup should be a joyful experience, not a chore. This routine is quick, so you have more time for the important things in life. Whether it's spending time with loved ones or pursuing your passions, your makeup routine shouldn't hold you back. We'll go step by step, so you won't get in a muddle. Each step is designed to be easy to follow and replicate. By the end, you'll have a simple routine you can do every day, fuss-free. It's all about making your life easier and more beautiful. Let's begin this grand adventure together. Get ready to embrace your natural beauty and shine like never before. Before we dive into makeup, let's talk about the most important step, prepping your skin. Think of your face as a canvas. The smoother and healthier it is, the better your makeup will look and last throughout the day. Start by using a gentle cleanser to wash away any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from your skin. This helps prevent clogged pores and breakouts. After rinsing, pat your face dry with a soft towel. Never rub, as that can irritate your skin. Clean skin is the perfect base for makeup and helps everything glide on smoothly. Next, it's time to moisturize. Even if your skin is oily, don't skip this step. Hydration is key for everyone. A good moisturizer hydrates and plumps your skin, giving you that dewy, healthy look. It also helps makeup blend better and prevents dry patches from showing through. Massage a small amount over your face and neck, using gentle upward strokes. Take a moment to let it fully absorb. This little pause makes a big difference in how your makeup sits. If you're heading outside, sunscreen is a must. It's your skin's superhero, shielding you from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging and sunburn. Apply sunscreen after your moisturizer, making sure to cover your entire face, ears, and neck. This extra step keeps your skin protected and healthy in the long run. With your skin now clean, hydrated, and protected, you've already set the stage for a flawless makeup day. Your skin will feel fresh, comfortable, and ready for anything. This simple routine makes all the difference for a natural, radiant look. You'll notice your makeup applies more evenly and lasts longer too. Now you're ready for the fun part. Playing with colors, textures, and creativity. The groundwork is laid, and you've done an amazing job. Let's move on to the next step. Well done, you. With your skin prepped and ready, it's time to create a flawless base. Let's talk about foundation and concealer, the dynamic duo of any makeup routine. These products help you achieve a smooth, even canvas. But remember, the goal isn't to mask your skin, but to enhance its natural beauty. The aim here is to even out your skin tone, not to hide your unique features or cover up every imperfection. Embrace your skin's natural texture and let it shine through. Start by choosing a lightweight foundation or a tinted moisturizer that closely matches your jawline. This ensures a seamless blend and avoids any harsh lines or mismatched tones. Apply a small amount of product, focusing on the center of your face, like your nose, cheeks, and forehead. Then gently blend outwards for a natural, diffused effect. You can use your fingers for a quick, natural finish, a sponge for a dewy look, or a brush for more coverage. Choose whichever tool feels most comfortable and gives you the result you love. Don't forget to blend the foundation into your hairline and down your neck. This step is key for a seamless, undetectable finish that looks great in any light. Let your natural skin, freckles, and beauty marks peek through. This keeps your look fresh and authentic, never heavy or overdone. For any blemishes, redness, or dark circles, reach for a concealer that matches your foundation, or is just a touch lighter. Dab it only where you need a little extra coverage. Use your fingertip or a small brush to tap and blend the concealer gently. Remember, the idea is to conceal, not cake on product. Apply just enough concealer to brighten under your eyes and even out your complexion, avoiding heavy layers for a more natural effect. Remember, less is more when it comes to foundation and concealer. A light touch gives you a fresh, radiant look that's perfect for every day. When you're finished, you should look like the best version of yourself, refreshed, confident, and naturally beautiful. That's your base complete. Time to add life back to your face with blush and brows. A touch of cream or liquid blush on the apples of your cheeks gives a healthy, natural flush. Smile, dab, and blend upwards along your cheekbones for a lifted look. Start with a little and build up if needed. Subtle is best. For brows, just fill in any sparse areas with a pencil or tinted gel that matches your hair. Keep them soft and natural, not overly sculpted. Defined brows frame your face and make a big difference. The goal is tidy, not dramatic. Blush and brows together bring warmth and structure to your look. Simple, quick, and effective. Let's move on to the eyes. Let's make your eyes look bright and awake with just a few steps. Sweep a neutral eyeshadow, like taupe or champagne, across your lids for subtle depth. This evens out your eyelids and makes your eyes pop. Next, apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara to your top lashes. Wiggle the wand at the roots for volume and pull through to the tips. Brown mascara looks especially natural for lighter features. For extra definition, use a soft brown or gray pencil to tightline your upper lash line. Smudge it gently for a fuller lash look. No harsh lines. These quick tricks make your eyes look bigger and more awake. No one will know your secret. Eyes done. On to lips. The finishing touch. Lips. Start by smoothing your lips with a gentle exfoliation if needed, then apply lip balm. For color, choose a tinted balm or sheer lipstick close to your natural lip shade. Dab the color on with your finger for a soft, stained effect. Nude pinks, rosy browns, or soft berries work for most people. Skip the lip liner for a more effortless look. The goal is a healthy, hydrated lip that looks like you, only better. Lip tints and sheer formulas are perfect for this. 1 layer for subtlety, 2 for a bit more color. A fresh, natural smile completes your look. Simple, quick, and beautiful. You're nearly done. You've created a fresh, natural look. Let's make it last. Lightly dust translucent powder on your T-zone to control shine, using a fluffy brush. Don't overdo it. Keep your natural glow. Finish with a spritz of setting spray for long-lasting, dewy results. Choose a spray that enhances your natural finish. For touch-ups, just carry your lip product and a small powder compact. A quick pat of powder or swipe of balm revives your look in seconds. These little steps keep you looking fresh all day. Now go out and enjoy your grand day. Remember, confidence is your best accessory. You look...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.